All right, I'm now switching hats a little bit. So now I'm the sales manager overlooking a set of inside sellers, trying to understand, hey, where can I spend my time best to actually make sure that me and my team are meeting my quota. So with the sales standalone experience, you can we get like an overview, like one pane of glass of all the things that are important for you. So for example, like in the beginning, you see all the actuals of what I'm actually meeting. Am I meeting my quota? I can drill into, in the same page, I can drill into all the information, all the data that I want to, and potentially take actions on top of them. There's also a set of information about my team. How's my team performing? So for example, who's doing good or not so good in terms of their quota? I can go in and see, oh, Eric's not doing so well. There's a big gap to his quota. So I can open his team or his card and understand, hey, what are the things that maybe in my next one-on-one or next time I meet him, I can talk to him about and understand what do we need to discuss so he can ramp up his game. So there's a few insights I have here, and I wanted to specifically call out the sentiment here. So Amit just mentioned the feature around call intelligence. So within our AI for Sales, you can upload your call data, and we are going to analyze or help you analyze parts of it and surface that to you so you understand better what is actually going on in all these sales calls. You cannot just don't need to go into every call and try to understand what is the issue that this salesperson might have or where can he improve. You can just see that right away. So here we can see that he had a drop in positive sentiment. So maybe something the way he was talking has changed, or maybe there's something I can talk to him about and help him get up to speed again. There's more information across my pipeline and, again, also across my team calls, so I can drill more and more deeper into that if I like. Again, similar to what we've shown on the sales representative side, you can also see, like, we show you some highlights that we find inside of your system that might be interesting for you to understand how your work is doing. So for example, Ryan won a deal, that's great. So I can actually, from here, I can again drill into it, see what are some of the details of this deal. I can reach out to Ryan and tell him, hey, congratulations, that's really awesome. I get information of my upcoming time with people in my team or news that might be relevant for me. If there's something in my in this page that I might not something else that I would like to find, but it's not on there, we integrated a Q&A system. So if you like, you can just open it, if it likes me today, and it will ask you and be able to answer any questions that you like. So for example, which accounts have the most opportunities? So it goes in, understands my data, and puts in what are the most accounts with the most opportunities. Well, right now it's not necessarily the opportunities that are important for me, but which salesperson have the most opportunities. I can just change the question and basically ask anything that I want. We have some suggested ones, but you can basically ask almost anything. And you can then, once I know which salesperson has the most opportunities, I can see, oh, John and Yassine have the most, so maybe I should actually talk to them if that's too much or not, so I help them, again, coach and be better, and hopefully make sure that my team achieves their quota and I achieve my quota as well.